Alright guys, so I got off work early, started working down this creek. I wasn't going to start a intro till I actually caught a fish, and here we go. This is actually a baby little redeye with an absolute tummy on it. It got an absolute dump truck on her. She is fully loaded. But yeah, this beautiful little redeye bass. You can see the blue, you can see the beautiful red eye. It is just a beautiful little fish. We're gonna let her go real gently, real up close, and there she goes. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice little guy. And he's definitely a little bit better. He's a nice little bass. I was starting to lose hope there for a second, but then we got this beautiful little bass, and this little chunkster too. She is definitely a thick girl on her. But yeah, we're gonna get a release on her. Just a beautiful little fish. Oh, there's another one. Oh, what's this guy? Oh, another. Oh, there he goes. That's what we call a quick release. Cool beans. Oh man, this is a good little hole right here. Okay, and now, okay, this is another red eye. Okay guys, so what I just did there is sometimes when you hook a fish, you will get him in the gill plate. It's real easy to do and it's real hard to come out. So whenever, if you cannot get a hook out of a fish's mouth, always flip them over, peel back that gill, see if you can see it in there, because you could just save a fish's life. There we go, there's another one. And another one. So I hope my GoPro can pick this up and picture how blue. So something else that's really rare about these fish is these little dots underneath of their mouth are actually kind of like a detection system. It helps them sense stuff in the water, and there's certain other fish that have this. But yeah, beautiful little guy, beautiful fin, beautiful markings. I hope the GoPro picks it up. He goes from like a gold to a green down to a blue. Just an absolute beautiful fish. Yeah, we will get a release on him. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice little guy right there. Oh, that's another. So you can tell just by how thick these fish are that they are eating good in here. That is one thick little bass. Still with the beautiful red eye. It's a thick little guy. It's a little sausage. Alright guys, so I think we're about done. We fished quite a bit of this. Got a couple, probably about 2 miles in of this river. And I think we've caught about solid 6 fish, 8 fish maybe. You know, so it ain't been bad. And you know, I can't complain. So we got out here, made it work within our 2-hour limit, and we got it done. Alright guys, so I will catch you guys in the next one.